I became fascinated by the world of medical physics and thought, wouldn't it be amazing if we all had access to this technology? We could all hack on it and improve it and make medical imaging much cheaper and more accessible to everyone.
Spectra uses a technique called electrical impedance tomography to send tiny AC current through a conductive medium at different angles. It then uses the same technique as a CAT scan to put the image back together again.
Help us open biomedical imaging to people everywhere.